right, good morning guys and welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who are new here, my name's Ellen and welcome to my channel. So I can't tell you how excited I am about this video today. I have been waiting for ages for this video. I'm so excited. Basically, I follow a lot of people on TikTok, and one of the people I follow is MadiBWebb. You may have heard of her. She's a bit of a fashion influencer, all around just positive energy radiating from her. She's just a beautiful person, beautiful soul, beautiful energy. Oh my god, and beautiful clothes, obviously. But she has the best style, and she always does these little get ready with me videos, or like CEO of, and using all the filters and everything. I just love her. It is gorgeous. She is gorgeous, and anytime I see her video, it just honestly just brings that little bit of joy into the day, you know? A little bit of positivity. Anyway, she has a massive wardrobe, and she was doing a bit of a sort out and decided, or has planned and decided to do a clear out and do like mystery boxes on Depop. So as soon as I saw this, I was like, oh my god, I've got to do this. But they all sold out really quickly. And because I've been going out a bit more recently with my friends, I decided to buy the going out box, which was I think $70, and then tax and shipping came to like $114, which was just over £100, or like £100 and 62 pence or something like that. And it came. I am so excited. I've actually it's been sat in my room for a little bit, and I was working all week this week, so I thought, right, wait until I have a day off, full attention, we're going to do it. So we've got it now, and I'm going to open it with you because apparently she's done it like a little PR package, and I'm so excited to just jump right into it. So this is how big the box is, and inside it has, she always puts like a little description and a photo of this is what it could be like this is, the photo is inspiration of the type of outfit it could be. It says, order this box if you want an outfit that feels like a crazy night out. Please note the outfit in the photo is just an example of the style that might be in the box. Number of pieces, 3, and the sizes. I was very glad to find out we were very similar sizes. So got that, and her little thing is so cute. It says, hey queen, welcome to MadiB's closet. Each box is a full mystery outfit styled straight from my personal closet by yours truly. These boxes are packed with a little bit of everything and a lot of love. Each box contains 1 to 4 outfits. Items varying between a mix of 3 to 8 pieces of clothing, such as tops, skirts, shorts, jeans, pants, bags, jackets, shoes and more. Some pieces were worn, some pieces weren't worn, all of that. Anyway, so she is selling more, I've just seen. She is selling a casual cutie box and a sunshine box, which may or may not be on my list after we open this, and I'm so excited. So without further ado, let's just jump in and open the box. I'm so excited. So this is the box in all its glory. Okay, so the box is open. I just had to like use scissors to cut down the sides because apparently my nails aren't strong enough. But I'm so excited. So we've got a note in here, a handwritten note in here, which says, thank you so much for ordering. I am obsessed with the shoes in this box. If you know me, I love shoes, so I am I'm obsessed with her shoe collection. So I'm very excited about this. If you decide to post, please tag me so I can duet your video. Thank you for being a part of my first launch. With love, MadiBWebb. This is so cute! And then just a little picture thing as well that says, hello beautiful angel, princess, queen. Welcome to MadiB's closet. I hope you love the pieces in your order as much as I do. Thank you for giving them a second chance to be worn fabulously. If you feel like snapping a pic or video, make sure to tag me so I can share too. MadiBWebb. First impression so far, this is adorable. I'm literally just opening it to so much colour. And pink boots! Oh my god! Okay, so one thing is from Shop Akira, and this is a dress. This is a dress. This is a gorgeous little black dress. Oh my god. Oh my god, I love this, and it's got like a nice twist around the front, cut out at the front as well, and wrap around skirt. Oh my gosh, look at this dress! We've also got a very beautiful bodycon dress from, where's this one from? From Fashion Nova. I love Fashion Nova, and this is just stunning. This isn't really my style, but I'm actually really excited to try it on because I've been trying, as you know, I've been trying things that aren't really my style, and this is just gorgeous, absolutely stunning. So we've got 2 outfits here. So I know it said 3 pieces, so I wasn't sure if that would have been top, shoes and trousers, obviously, or skirt or something, or a dress, shoes and like a jacket, or accessories like a bag or something. I wasn't sure what it was going to be at all. Once again, mystery box, didn't know what it was going to be, but that's those 2. And then the stars of the show, oh my gosh, they're over the knee boots. They are over the knee boots with like a little gold detail on the heel. Oh my gosh, these are stunning. Zip up on the side. These are so beautiful. These are actually so beautiful. I don't actually know what the brand is, but these are amazing. Look how long they are. These are flipping gorgeous, and then like elasticated at the back as well for your thigh. These are absolutely stunning. I am gonna go try everything on now. I'm so excited. When I tell you that I am obsessed, I don't think you understand how much of an understatement that is. This is so gorgeous. Don't get me wrong, I'm boiling. It is 27 degrees here, and this is probably not what I would wear in 27 degrees heat. Why can I say that? This isn't what I'd wear in 27 degrees heat anyway. But the heels, not easy to put on. I've never had over the knee boots before, and I did not realise that they are quite, or not some like this. I've had like the suede ones. Those are quite easy to put on. These ones not so much, but still flipping gorgeous and really comfortable as well. Like this. I am obsessed with this. This is so cute. Oh my god. I love it. It's not my style at all. Like I wouldn't normally wear this, but it's just adorable. Like, you can't tell me she's not cute. I am so excited. Can you imagine wearing this on a night out? And then this is the second dress. This one I'm not too sure how I feel about it. I don't know if it's because it's a lot with the boots, which I know the description said prepare for a crazy night out, and this would be a crazy night out. But I love the dress, it's so soft. Whereas the other one was more of like a spandexy soft, like swimwear material type of soft. This is like so soft, like soft to the touch. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. It's definitely a warmer dress as well. It's thin, but it's a warmer dress, like it's soft on the inside and the outside. I do like this. I don't know how I feel about the neckline, but it is just a gorgeous piece. This is gorgeous. I prefer the first option because this is a lot of colour, and I don't tend to wear a lot of colour, and I don't think I'm used to having this much colour in one outfit, so I'd probably put it with some trainers or something just to dress it down, or like plain black heels or white heels or even nude heels instead of these. But they still look really nice together, or like even blue heels actually, going with the outfit, like blue heels or little pink kitten heels rather than the oversized boots. Also because I've had to pull it up a little bit, because if I pull it down it kind of meets the boots. So yeah, I don't know, I feel a little bit, it sounds weird, like the first one, black, you would think is a bit more classy in that, but I feel more formal in this dress just because of like, it's more modest, you know? But I do really like it, and I feel like it's really figure hugging, and I love it. It's so gorgeous. I just need to figure out how to style it now, because it's gorgeous like this, but it's a lot like this for me. So thank you all so much for watching my video. Let me know in the comments what you did think. Believe you me when I tell you, I was so excited for this video, so excited to receive the parcel, that I was literally looking at the tracking every single day and saying to my friend, like, it hasn't come yet, I'm getting worried, because I've heard so many horror stories about like it getting stuck at customs, and you have to pay like an extra £40 at least to get it from customs to come to the UK because it's from America. But it came really quickly. I think I ordered it like on a Thursday, and it came maybe 2 weeks later, if that, maybe a bit like around the 2-week mark. It came relatively quickly from America to Wales, so very, very happy. No problems at customs, no import duties, whatever, those extra charges, all sorted for. I was so excited. I really love these outfits. Still a bit cautious with the second one, and I will figure out a way to style it, and I'm so excited. But yeah, let me know what you think. Thank you so much to Maddie as well for this box. It's absolutely gorgeous. And let me know if you think I should buy another one, because like I said, there's still another 2 available, which is a casual one and a sunshine box. And the sunshine box, I feel like it'll be a lot of yellows, which isn't my colour, but we like sunshine. It's sunny outside, we like sunshine, it's perfect time for it. Plus, you know, treat yourself. I don't know. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments, and I will see you all again soon for another video. Stay safe and stay healthy. Bye!